I ordered a few components from DigiKey, which include an analog device 1000 for my lab practicals and a Raspberry Pi A+, but this is for another video. So I need a 3D print and design a case for this kit since I need this to take it to my college for my lab practicals. So let's do that. Let's open our laptop, launch Fusion 360 and start designing. Make a few tweaks and 3D print it, make a few tweaks again and 3D print the final thing. This case has a magnetic latch and two compartments wherein I can store the required stuff like the resistors, capacitors and breadboard. Also, these are free files which you can download through the links in the description. Now we can assemble the case and hopefully the tolerances work out. Which they do, and now I'll show you how to assemble it. Get these two top pieces and align the hinges. After that, take a PLA string and just put it in. This will act as the hinge. Put it in all the way, and with that done, get the bottom piece.
Put an elastic if you want and glue it here to the bottom.
Just assemble these three hinges the same way. For the latch, put in these two magnets and also put the magnets on the top. Put a piece of tape on that and you're good to go. And this last piece just acts as a leveler so it doesn't rock back and forth. Now with the kit done, we can easily go to IIT for our lab practicals. Although just before the departure there was a cyclone, but I'll save you the details. I had to go back and forth with my friends to check with the schedule of flights and all, but eventually I made it.